Oh, if there's an update, there is an actual update on Procreate Dreams. We're gonna watch the video and see. There's nothing more distracting than actually coming back from a long day and trying to game and seeing Procreate has a new update. So we're gonna see if Procreate's updates are actually worth it, right?
Welcome to this What's New for Procreate Dreams. This is update 2.1, and this brings a small but mighty addition to Flipbook, plus new things for compose mode, multi-select, backstage visibility. It's quite a bit actually, so let's just jump straight into it. Flipbook does a nice job of managing a bunch of different tasks. One of those tasks is controlling timing by holding frames. The new Flipbook mode, a more focused, more mini Flipbook, will take the current track and will scrub only from drawing to drawing without being held up, showing any held frames. It's got a wheel to scrub through frames, a forward and back button for tapping through single frames, and you can jump straight to the start or end frame by giving those same buttons.
Honestly, I think this is kind of useful because it kind of helps you go forward and backwards without actually opening all the controls, because if you have a smaller iPad, it can be annoying. So small controls are actually good. Let me know what size iPad you're using. I'm using the, I think 10 to 11.5-inch iPad.
Drag from the handle to move it around wherever you want, or stick it neatly to the edges of the screen. Those edges are also used to move between horizontal and vertical. And to resume Flipbook's larger self, just throw it back into place at the bottom. Double tapping on the handle shifts between these two Flipbook modes, returning the mini to exactly where it was last. While you're flipping through frames and trying to visualize and feel that next brush mark, it's important that nothing really gets in the way of that happening. So you're always able to mark.
You know, what I actually learned is this. If you are a developer and you're making these apps, it's quite easy for you to kind of have an intuition of what you want to add and also not adding too much at the same time. So I think everyone at Procreate, of course, or definitely has to use Procreate in some fashion to be able to optimize things to work. And I do that all the time with my own apps. Currently, if you've seen this on the screen right now, I actually have a custom app that I used to build it, and I'm planning on releasing that to the public, depending on how much people show up. But that's the general idea.
Tapping on the wheel is going to place a little mark on that frame. Then, as you carry on scrubbing and drawing, lifting away is going to snap back to that marked frame. Now, there are a couple of new settings to go along with all of this. Inside Preferences is Scrub Speed. This will change the density of frames that you move through while scrubbing the wheel. Precise is not many frames, medium is more, and fast is lots of frames. In the Onions settings, there's now a toggle for Scrub Visibility. If you do or you do not wish to see onion skins while scrubbing, then that toggle, potentially, is the secret to ultimate happiness.
You see what I'm saying? That is literally the best way to put this stuff. There's no other way to put it. Let me know if you like what you're seeing with the Procreate. Anyway, I end up developing my own tools that I use for everything anyway, both for product management and this, and it's all great. I'm gonna go back to playing GTA now. I'm playing GTA for the first time, so if you want to see that, it's on the channel. Just trying to hang out with people, and that's it. All right.